everybody, and welcome back to another CS Lightwork video. Today I'm bringing y'all a little something different. It's a product of my laziness. So what you guys are looking at is an investment sheet. As you can see, you're looking at average buy-in, sort of like this. Dummy data, don't worry. I am not holding this much, maybe divided by 10, and that's what your boy is holding currently. But essentially, what happened is I was looking through my investment app one night on crypto, and I was like, I have no idea what my average buy looks like. I don't even, my previous transaction, I could barely see them. So I might as well whip up a sheet, right? Everyone tracks it on sheets, but I'm not that how do I put this unlazy. So I figured, hey, let me whip up a script that does this for me, right? So what you're seeing is actually the output of a script. Quick little interruption here. So when I posted this on TikTok, someone noted, hey, it'd be nice to have a profit and loss in the summary, and I definitely should add that initially. So I just added that in here. If you pull the most recent code, it has the commit with that change, so your sheet will look like this one. But let's get back into the video. Right, so what you're seeing is actually the output of a script, and this sort of a custom menu you have on the Google Sheets is also something generated by a script again. So say I want to add a buy for Solana. Now this is crypto, but you could swap the API for some stocks or anything you want and set it up like that. But this is crypto. As you can see, I just added in a buy. Boom, it updates the sort of current price through the API that I'm using, and then as you can see, it updates the sort of average buy-in price. I have a couple other sheets, and I have some more functionality just to maybe you want to add a previous trade that you did a while back, right? The only thing with this is it's not getting this price dynamically, but this is because to do that, you would have to give it a timestamp, right? And think about crypto fluctuations. And so API-wise and sort of efficiency-wise, if you have the track of the trade, it's a bit easier to just manually input the price there. But you could probably find APIs that'll do that. So say, let's just say it was 2,000. Boom, it can add that in. Now, I know, amazing. How did you do this? How did you do this? Simple. It's something called Google App Script. Google allows you to sort of make scripts that run on their own program. So like to run Excel sheets, I think docs and a lot of stuff, upload to your drive, grab from your drive. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. All right, I know you guys are itching, so I'm gonna show you how to set this up. The code is gonna be on my GitHub on the screen right now. Take the time, follow it, start it, leave a bunch of comments about how good the code is before y'all even see it. Because I know you guys have faith in me like that. So what you want to do is copy in the code that I gave you by going into extensions, clicking on AppScript on your new sheet, and just let it load up. Awesome. Holy name leak. Perfect. You're going to copy it in and you're going to save it. And yes, this is my API key. So you're actually need to obviously get your API key to call the updated crypto prices. I used CoinGecko, but again, if you wanted to use something for stocks or anything like that, you swap out the information I'm going to talk about in a second here. I just realized I leaked. Yeah, I can blur that out. Awesome. And then I have this coin trades, and this is just dummy like initial data. You could have this blank and just populate it through the functionality I showed you earlier, right? So adding in the buys, but this is just to show you the population, right? But you could swap this out for anything you want and then swap these out. But getting into it, all you need to do is run the setup all coins. So you're gonna click run on that, and you're gonna need to authorize it because it's gonna edit a sheet in your drive, right? So that's how it goes. You gotta, per usual, give it all access, and then you're gonna continue, wait, let that run, and then once that runs, you can go back to the sheet and you can see, hey, look, good to go. And now you just want to run populate all trades. You're only gonna have to do this once on this side, on the AppScript side. And then once it runs populate all trades with your API key in it, if you're having issues, that's why. But boom, with the current price. And then now if you just click refresh again one time, every time you load into it, it'll have that new menu. You can do everything with it. Now, I did sort of really gloss over the code. This does go sort of bit intricately in functions on how it does that. I can explain any questions you guys have into the comments and everything like that. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. I can make a YouTube video on this. I'm not sure if I will. If I do, I'll plug it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys found this a little bit interesting to sort of trigger the idea of, hey, what can you do with these scripts? I'll try to add some comments as well so it's a bit clear on what each thing is doing. But yeah, guys, love. Take care.